Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Bring another quote to help try and kickstart your day, and here are those words of wisdom. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth. Follow that ratio. Listen more, talk less. It's simple, and when you think about it, maybe this really is the ratio to follow. Speak less, but listen more. Listen to those people who have the knowledge and the wisdom that you can really learn from. You've heard the saying, hang out with 4 millionaires and you'll end up being the 5th. And there must be some truth in that. Always speak when spoken to, but always listen to what others can teach you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.